So this app is called ChatterPix, and it allows you to make inanimate objects talk.
Duck, duck, moose.
Welcome to ChatterPix.
So you just tap on take a photo. I have a little sculpture here that I made out of clay. You could do this with any kind of artwork that you make, or you can just go take a picture of some kind of object that you want to make it talk. So I'm going to take a picture. The next step is to draw a mouth on your creature. If you mess up, you can redo it. And then there's a microphone at the bottom of the screen, and when you tap it, it starts recording. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. And if you don't like what you said, you can redo it. Tweet, tweet, tweet. And then try it out. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Once you're happy with what you have, then click on Next. This screen gives you options of different accessories. You can put frames on it, and you can also put text on it. You can tap on the icon at the bottom right if you would like to email it to yourself.